Good day, sir. I am Hazel Artoledo, 18 years old from Sitio Pahoin, Barangay Giwanwan, Palupon, Leyte, base IT1B. So question is, Spain occupied the Philippines for more than 300 years. Was colonization at the time beneficial or detrimental to Filipinos' lives? So gisakop sa Spain ang Philippines for more than 300 years and both beneficial and detrimental ang epekto sa life sa Filipinos, which is naka-impact sa country's culture, economy, and social structure. So the beneficial aspects, ang most notable benefits sa Spanish colonization kay ang pag-introduce sa Christianity. Ang mga Spanish missionaries gi-convert ang daghan nga Filipinos into Catholicism, which remains dominant religion sa ato country today. Also, education is also one of the benefits. Ang Spaniards establish of schools and also colleges para tudloan ang mga Filipinos to read, write, and study various subjects, especially the religion. Although education kay limited ra during that time, but it serves as foundation para sa future educational development. And also, ang Spaniards brought new infrastructure and agricultural techniques. Naghimo sila roads, bridges, and churches nga hangtod karon ang uban na apa. Kana nga development naka-improve sa trade and communication. And next is the detrimental aspects kay ang Spanish colonization kay was highly detrimental to Filipinos in many ways. So nawa ang freedom of self-governance sa Filipinos. Spaniards ruled the Philippines and ang Filipinos walay masulti how their land was governed. Filipinos also experience kanang exploitation. Daghang Filipinos ang gi-force og patrabaho without proper pay. Wala sila kanang sweldo ug tarong ila sad gi-give ila mga harvest or labor sa mga Spanish landlords. This created widespread poverty and inequality. Also, cultural changes brought by the Spaniards were also detrimental. So, daghan mga native traditions, practices, and languages kay giilisdan or gitangtang tungod sa Spanish influences. And in summary, while Spain's colonization naghatag og beneficial changes like sa religion, education, and infrastructure, and ang detrimental effects kay which is ang loss of independence, exploitation, and cultural erasure, nagcause og more harm than good. For most of the Filipinos, the hardships or ang mga kalisod during sa colonization outweighed ang sa benefits. That's all, sir. Thank you.